On Saturday, an Israeli military sniper fatally shot two women inside the Holy Family Parish in Gaza, as reported by the Latin Patriarch of Jerusalem. The tragic incident occurred as the mother and daughter were en route to the sisters' convent, with gunfire erupting during their journey. The patriarch stated that one of the women lost her life while attempting to carry the other to safety. In the same attack at the complex, where the majority of Gaza's Christian families have sought refuge since the commencement of the war, 7 additional individuals were also shot and injured. The Patriarch, responsible for overseeing Catholic churches across Cyprus, Jordan, Israel, Gaza, and the West Bank, provided these distressing details to CNN. Quote, "No warning was given. No notification was provided," the statement continued. Quote, "They were shot in cold blood inside the premises of the parish where there were no belligerents." On Sunday, Pope Francis expressed sorrow over the casualties at the Holy Family Parish, decrying the fact that, quote, "unarmed civilians are targets for bombs and gunfire in Gaza." He invoked scripture pertaining to war to emphasize the gravity of the situation. Quote, "I continue receiving very serious and sad news about Gaza. Unarmed civilians are targets for bombs and gunfire, and this has happened even within the parish complex of the Holy Family, where there are no terrorists, but families, children, people who are sick and have disabilities. Sisters," he said.